Hello everyone. So today we have a problem called electronic shop and it's from HackerRank, and the problem statement states that we have been allotted a budget B and there are two other inputs that we have been given. So keyboards and drives, size of keyboards and drives, these two vectors, and after these three inputs we need to find out the maximum or the most expensive pair that we can buy from the keyboards and the drives. But that should be within the budget. If it is not within the budget, in the end of all the combinations, then we need to return -1. If the problem statement does not make sense, I'll add a link of the problem statement in the video description. Then feel free to go and read the problem statement on your own. Okay, so we what we are basically trying to do here is we are using a O of n cross m approach. So I have two loops here and I have taken a variable called sum and maxsum and set maxsum as -1. Because we need to return -1 in the end, so I am returning -1 because in case there are no sum combinations available which is within the budget, then we'll return -1. Okay, let's see what we are basically doing. So we are calculating all the combinations, keeping I as constant there, and then we are adding it with all the values of j, and then checking if sum is within the budget or equal to budget or not, and also if sum is greater than max sum. Initially sum is not greater than max sum, right? Because max sum is only -1. So for the first case, at least it will go in, right? And for the second cases, it will check if sum is greater than max sum or not. And if both of these conditions are fulfilled, then in the end, we'll go and update our maximum. And this is how the maximum would keep on getting updated, right? So maximum is -1 here, and we are returning maximum in the end in case there are no some values that we're getting within the budget, and that is our answer. So yeah, this is it. I hope this was a fairly simple explanation. Let me know if you have any doubts or any feedbacks. Thank you for watching. Bye.